In the course of your job, if you use spreadsheets like Microsoft Excel or Google Sheets or any other similar sheets, then this tool, numerous.ai, can be a life changer. Let me show you instead of telling you so that you could appreciate how much cool this tool is. There are a couple of downsides, but I will mention them later. Let's discuss the positive things first. Let me scroll down a bit. Look at this. It is there is Excel sheet. It has just given it some of the sentiments in the sentiment column, negative, positive, and all that stuff. And now in the response column, it is asking AI to write a short one sentence response to this, and then press enter, and it has written the response to the sentiment for the customer. Just drag and drop the same formula. So AI is basically writing the formula for you. That is amazing. And now look at this. In the about column, we are mentioning what exactly this employee feedback is about, and then we are doing inference within the spreadsheet. Just select the employee feedback, infer it, select all the column. It has done the inference for you. Similarly, again on the right hand side, select sentiment analysis, and then analyze the statement of the employee feedback, positive, negative, any one of them, and then you just select it, and it will automatically infer what set of sentiment is there, and then again the response. How cool is that? And just imagine if you do this on routine basis with macros or manually or different formulas, or you just slice and dice this data with the help of Excel, then AI can make that thing so much easier. Now you can automate that too, by the way. Now look at this. There are three use cases: AI to prompt ChatGPT in batch, and this is where we are using ChatGPT technology many times at once by dragging the formula down, just like this. If you look at the infer, in the infer one I just showed you above, AI is basically finishing the work for us by inferring the sentiment analysis just be shown above. Similarly, in the right one, we are asking ChatGPT to write things for us. So it will just take the context from the other columns, and it will write the stuff for you just on the basis of your prompt. So how cool is that? And not only this can really supercharge your spreadsheet experience, this could just remove the need of learning all those formulas and then tinkering with dragging, dropping, and selecting the columns and sheets, and then sky is the limit here. But one downside, I tried to sign up just to show you on one of my own spreadsheet, but it is asking for money, and I'm not really ready to go to for the trial to pay it any sort of amount. But if that is what you do in your day-to-day basis, and if you like what you see, then you can sign up for these plans. Individual is $99 per year, and then for professionals and then for enterprise it's just $1,000 per year, where you can have unlimited characters of ChatGPT input and output and all that stuff, and you get a lot of other things too with that. So monthly the price differs because I think yearly there is a 50% discount at the moment, and you can cancel it anytime, and you can keep your remaining tokens forever. I hope and wish that they would also give some sort of credit so that people could just try it out before paying them anything, before using their credit card. Anyways, guys, this is amazing, and of course, you can use the same thing directly on ChatGPT, but you would have to create your own custom GPT, and you have to do a lot of tinkering, and obviously, you cannot do all this magic there out of the box. Very, very fine tool, very impressed by it. So, I hope that you liked it too. If you have any comments, let me know, and if you know of any other similar tool, please paste it in the comment, and I'll be happy to review it. That's it. If you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel, and if you're already subscribed, please share it among your network. Thank you very much.